Hey there, so the default particle position here in the header or the navigation inline element is at the bottom of the menu item, as you can see here. So we change this to top, it goes to the top, and we change this to center, it's positioned in the center of the menu. So what we can do here is we or by the way, there's no other you can't move this under the menu, so we will need to create our own line here. So to do that, you first set the height of the particle to 0, and then we add or create our own border here. So we say border top, maybe let's set up 5 pixels solid border, and then we copy the color here. So we copy the maybe the blue one, so copy this and we paste that in the color. So we now check, it's you see the line is much thicker, and we just need to set up or set the top position to maybe 10 pixels, so it's now right under the menu item. So hope that helps.